Hey guys, welcome back to architutors. In this quick Rhino video tutorial, we'll look at how we can split or divide a mesh or a geometry into different parts in Rhino. First we need to set up a plane that will work as sort of a razor to split the geometry. Type in the command mesh split and first select the geometry, enter and then the plane. So now this spherical volume is split. Let's try the same once more. In case you're having a complicated geometry, you can split it by this method and then delete the rest of it. That's it guys for this video. You can check out many more Grasshopper and Rhino tutorials on our channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the updates. Thank you.